You're watching Camilla Ali TV.
Aline, so where are you on your way to?
Camping.
Camping?
Why did they blindfold
Are we on our way to go camping?
Why did they blindfold
And we're catching
me?
the what? We're catching the bus, right?
Why are they blindfolding me?
Aline, we catching the bus?
Oh, God.
Oh, you want me to blindfold you? I don't have a blindfold.
Say why you not blindfolded me.
You just close your eyes, okay?
Why you want me blind?
Just keep your eyes closed. All right, we'll be there soon.
Safe flight. Give me a hug. So y'all see, have a safe flight. Safe flight, okay? I'm flying. Take lots of pictures, okay?
Where are we going?
Yes.
Where are we going?
Airport.
We at the airport. Where are we going, though? Oh, you gotta step up.
Jump. Jump.
Good job.
Can I hold this now?
Yeah. Aline,
Yes.
watch out, baby.
Oh, look, Mom.
Gotta go this way. Aline, where
Yes.
you going?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Yeah, hurry up and... Whoa.
Look at me. Aline, you excited?
I don't know.
Know where we going? Huh? Do you know? Aline,
Yes.
you ready?
Yes.
Where we going? You don't know.
Mama.
We're going camping, right? Huh? Are we going camping? Yeah. All right, make it left.
Yes.
Which way is left? Good job. Oh, there's our gate right there. Our gate is right there. You don't have to walk there far. See it?
Thirsty.
You thirsty?
Want to see everyone? No.
Who's that?
This guy?
Yeah, that guy.
Donald Duck.
Yes, are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Go this way.
Where's Daisy? Daisy's not there. She's not there.
Oh, I wonder. Say who is this? Say who is this?
Which one?
Mickey.
Mickey.
Who is that?
Mm-hmm.
Minnie Mouse. Who's that? Goofy. I just call it Goofy. Who is that? Pluto.
That's Pluto.
I don't know who's this and that.
I don't know their names, but they're little squirrels.
I don't know. I don't know. It's Pikachu.
Go ahead, walk. You gotta move it. Keep walking. Alrighty. Getting on the plane. Aline,
Yes. What do these buttons do? How I get strapped in?
I'll strap you in. Got it?
How you put us like this in front of the video game?
No video games.
Yes, there are. There's our videos right in front of the video game. It's crap.
You look out the window? See?
Yeah, we're on the airplane.
Mm-hmm. You excited?
Yeah. Wait, where are these buttons? I feel like there's a screen.
So you want to say something to everybody?
13.
What do you want
I'm
to
going
say?
to 10. I don't know. It's the window I can see outside when I see the airplane. And I like this. This place like the airplane is the airplane. I'm literally inside the airplane. So over there? Okay. So wait, is there any cup holders?
There isn't.
What does this button do?
I have no idea, baby. It's for the volume. For the TV.
13. Oh, hey, yours on 10.
Boarding is now complete.
10.
Flight attendant
Mine's on 10. Mine's is on
You
10.
gonna take a nap? Are you sleepy?
No.
No.
Oh, I want to laugh at Monster. And on the airplane. Boom. The bop, the bop, the bop, bop, bop. On the airplane. Launch. Fly away. We're flying away. Flying away. We're flying on the airplane. Flying. We're flying. We're flying on the airplane. Stop. We're landing.
Thank you.
We're landing. We're landing. Oh, we're going to take off already. I'm done. No. What's on the watch?
The crew will now be coming around to do a final cabin
Ali's
check.
on the
After
airplane.
takeoff, we'll be back with more information.
Cool.
And if you need
I'm gonna
anything,
balloons.
don't hesitate to ask.
Hmm?
As
Oh,
always,
best of.
we're here to make your flight great.
Oh, best of course.
Is what we're
Put
going
these
for.
down.
Mm-mm.
Why?
Wait till after we get in the air, then you can put it down.
Oh my. I talk to you.
Yeah, she can talk to me.
We didn't even land.
Huh?
We didn't even land.
We did land. You were asleep. You missed it. Do you know where you are? Where are you? Do you know? You still don't know? Alright, you'll see soon, okay?
Hotel.
No, it's not a hotel. This is a villa. Where are you at? You're in Disney World. You're in Orlando, Florida.
And the night ended with a spectacular fireworks display. Thank you to all of our amazing military families.
You better go to bed, mister. You gotta get up early. There's nothing in here. I got a ginger ale.
I'll put those in the
I
fridge.
got a ginger ale. Ginger ale, look. Ale. Alright, come on. Put my neighbors on. Just say that again. I couldn't hear you.
Liar.
I wasn't lying. I was surprising you. I was trying to surprise you. We just sitting here relaxing until he gonna get in the tub and get his body cleaned, and we gonna wash his hair, get his curls popping, and then we're gonna go and have fun today. Woohoo! Alim, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Say goodbye. Goodbye.
Oh my God, this water's filling up. Fill it up. Fill it up.
Look at them big guys.
Disney World.
You
You
saw?
wanna park down here
Who's
again?
Disney World right now? So Mickey Mouse here.
Yeah, that should be fine.
Yeah, I think I remember we went in this way.
Okay. Oh, they take pictures from
This way, dude. Whenever you'd like.
There we go. Outstanding. Very good. Sir,
Good.
Sir, you can use this one.
Huh?
No 20 what?
7.
Little Hawk comes.
I like to
All right, brother.
Hi.
All right. All right, y'all.
Let's go, boys.
What's up, OG? It's pain today. Defense. Right. Congratulations, brother. Yes, sir. Green beans, baby. Give it up. Come on, man.
Touchdown, Blackhawks.
Good job.
Third down.
It's me and Ali. He's pulling on my necklace. Get off of me. Get off of me.
My man said they legit. Hey! Go ahead, baby! Go ahead, baby!
Can't take the kid to the pool. You bring the pool to the kid. Hey, put him inside the jacuzzi tub. Put some swimming trunks on him and let him have a swim day inside. Hey, Eileen. We're at the airport. I'm waiting for our flight back to Philly. Eileen, look. Let me. Thank you. Thank you.
You 3 or 4?
How old are you, Lane?
4.
Keep going.
Welcome aboard American Airlines. Please place your carry items in an overhead compartment or under the seat in front of you.
Morning.
More likely items may
No,
be
all the way to the back.
Why is he running in the street? He's just running for Beaver Street. Like that. Kyle, how worried the glue? I wish the glue at me because I didn't come on and. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Doing exercise? You don't, what is he doing? Why is he wanting to be?
I do have some headphones. I'll grab some for you.
What is he doing? What is he doing?
Does that work?
Hey, Mark. Mark.
Did you find any?
Mark. Oh, on to the right. Are you serious? Come to the right. I have a phone. No, what am I at? This is the biggest house in the world. The Chinese?
So you can see.
Well, not even flying yet.
Plane's about to land, baby. Gotta sit up straight. You missed it last time. Gotta stay up so you can land. Have a good time? Yeah? What do you want to say to the people? What do you want to say? Nothing?
Hands up, we go, go. Hands up, we go, we go. Put your hands up, we go, hands up, we go, hands up.